Hey everybody, Fred Flintstone here. This is an infinite geometric series. It's an Algebra 2 lesson. The bell's going to ring here in about a minute, so you're going to hear some noise coming in, student coming in and everything. So you'll hear that in the background. Sorry about that. I just got to get through here because I have a meeting after school. I won't have time to do this. Okay, in an infinite geometric series, if the absolute value of r is less than 1, okay, that's what this is. That's the important part. Then the sum is this formula, your first term over 1 minus r. Okay, it's real easy. I think this is the easiest lesson of them. So find each sum. Okay, so here we go, 1 to infinity, so it's infinite, and that's r right there, 0.8. Okay, so I just need to figure out my first term right here, because it's just first term over 1 minus r, you guys. So let's get the first term, plug it in. So I plug in 1 right there, 1 minus 1, and I get to the 0, getting lots of emails today. So anything to the 0 equals 1, so 5 times 1 is 5. So that's my first term. Okay, so I'm just going to follow that formula up on top. R equals 0.8. 5 over 1 minus 0.8 is 5 over 0.2, which is 25. Okay, there goes the bell. Some kids are going to be coming in here shortly. You're going to hear some noise. Okay, here's one. 1 minus 3/4 plus 9/16 minus 27/64, dot, dot, dot. So there it is, infinite, okay? So we got to find r. R is righty divided by lefty. So I'll pick any two numbers. I like these small ones right here, so I'm going to do -3/4 divided by right number divided by left number. And I get -3/4. Okay, so first term is that 1 right there. So there we go. I'm going to plug them in. 1 over 1 minus a -3/4. Okay, that becomes 1 plus 3/4, and 1 is going to be 4/4. So 4/4 plus 3/4 is 7/4. And 1 over that is just the reciprocal 4/7. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, 1 minus 3 plus 9 minus 27, dot, dot, dot. Okay, so r is righty divided by lefty, so I like picking the smallest numbers. So righty divided by lefty, so is -3. And since the absolute value of r is not less than 1, then this answer doesn't have a sum. All right. Okay, so here's the 5 formulas in this chapter. So here's arithmetic. Your nth term is your first term plus n minus 1 times d. The sum of the first n terms is n times the first term, and this is my last term all the time, divided by 2. And then geometric, first term is, or your nth term is your first term times r to the n minus 1, and this is my sum formula. First term times 1 minus r to the nth over 1 minus r, and then the last one we just did is the infinite geometric series.